Good evening, friends. Well, I've just figured it all out. Um, Japan's problem of having too many people getting driving tickets. Uh, the solution is to just go ahead and increase the speed limit from 55 miles an hour to 110 miles per hour. And then there will be fewer tickets because everybody will be going around 100 miles an hour, right? Well, anyway, we can't have that. And there's really pretty exciting news. I wish Linus Pauling had lived long enough to see this night, to see what his studies broke through and started these Japanese physicians on the way to discovering some more about the powers of vitamin C. Do take your time and read it slowly. It's not easy. It is, it's got captions in English, but they're not very easy to read, and sometimes they go a little bit faster. I want to think about it a little bit and really absorb what I'm reading. But this is as important as the Salk vaccine doing away with polio, and of course the development of or the discovery of penicillin during World War II. That was tremendously important, and it was all saved for the soldiers. I needed it for a problem that I had, but what little that was made was saved for the soldiers. And people who used to have to have amputations were, with the help of penicillin, able to heal up and go on to live fine lives. Well, this is what we've got going on now. You may be hearing this. I've got this going. What do we got here? Looks like at 12 inside the house. I decided not to wait and stew over what my government was doing and could I get them to cut loose with the what the radioactivity was across my country, and simply get my own Geiger counter. And then the only person I have to depend upon is myself. And that works out just fine for me, because I'm not really very trusting of my government, and I can see the Japanese feel exactly the same way. And this is really wonderful. They can start giving it before it's even needed. And this is, remember I explained to you what this did is it makes the structure of the cell extremely strong. And without vitamin C, and it has to be given or eaten every single day. They cannot store any of it. But without giving that steady diet of vitamin C, the cells collapsed and disintegrate. And it's almost like Ebola. But anyway, they can, even if they have, the people have gotten quite a bit of dose of Fukushima, and we all have gotten some pretty big doses. By getting right on the vitamin C, we can undo a lot of the damage that's already been done to us that we didn't even know about that was really going on. So anyway, do read this video that I'm including. It's time to, this is a good day for us. We're, who knows, we may even have a chance to live a long life. Talk to you later, friends.